Mwachimbi mwakwa Adom TV Badwam so. Yada Apostle Dr. Ni tego ase ne nkranchen sem ode braya enyom so befe mu. De adru so no ye Badwam kase. Sem na ye de ba no ne to dwa mu bi ya wo beti ni speaker na airboy executive ni judiciary no eshobo se wo mo ha parliament ene wo nyuma wo ye de ho no ensem ebebro. Free SHS coordinator enso de kokobo pa mu oden e ma chechefo ne head teachers no. Wonya so ogigi sikafi a wofo no ho so odo ombeto ha no eno ne nsembi na no pe wo bete Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV at 119 DSTV at 280 uko YouTube Adom TV tube log kwa adomonline.com nsem we ni bebre nso ye de agu ho medin e de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie said nsem ni chiremu etie. Speaker of Parliament, Ora Urban Sumana Kingsford Babin Nene, Warbo Executive, aye presidency no ne judiciary for Esobo, Sanya Koso, Mrashe, Bedefimo, Numa Warrior, no Womu 88 aso, Nebe Vietche na ya dear Kwaku Supreme Court no. The moon some central phone share Mudia or Freye and Odin Semi Etuja.
Ladies and gentlemen, recent acts of the judiciary and executive, and I see them as interference in the workings of Parliament, pose a direct challenge to the essence, jurisdiction, authority, powers, and functioning of the esteemed institution of Parliament, which is the repository of the sovereign will of the people of Ghana. It is increasingly becoming clear the judiciary and the executive are seemingly colluding to weaken Parliament.
Wasan so to just say afimpi no eni edru no ejina ya Ghana focus siye di adanse epefe se oman no enkan kro ene da wono mo akoma so ne mum enya amanyoku bi enkoso.
It's clear and loud to all discerning people. The decision is obviously a preference for a consensual and collaborative governance to a winner-take-all government. The majoritarian system of Parliament, where the minority have a say, but the majority have its way, was rejected by the voters. They rather opted for inclusivity, collaboration, consensus building, leaving nobody behind.
Central Region Free SHS coordinator wo at the Kokobo mu odin head teachers ene wo mu wo school ahodo mu onya so ogi scafe a wo form ho se wo do mbeto ha e do mbeto ha no mo ma sede ehye ne tie no nya na adwuma pepepe a kase no eto so yi
stakeholders ni na radio so among baba ha so bebi se mo nsem eno so sa nti among mo woni na ya me no ka say regional education directorate no regional director no share headmasters na na we wa de sade eno so do medie no even prospectors no de abande abana na se obi anya de eni so director ka chomo hwe no obi a fa bi foforo se bia fa konwa ana fa we e ka ho na bi nti ama sa kokobo na ebo ya no ama school for no so adi atuma ise me no ka se bibia ekoso kama
Rosby ni eyo wofo wani ama ne boni nkomo twetwe mu no de nsem sei enetso nani
so onya bi way true onya school akunya school Cape Coast na kusunya school Ada also wo tema na resha as a single parents into fa aku school Cape na kuso Ada na tuminye the main to me bed was summer da me be so was
Executive Director Ma Peasant Farmers Association ye Charles Jaban na ene was 2024 mu ayeden pa ayeden de ma akuafo ewo my Ghana emu planting for food and jobs so no food anom ne ade nyina no na ni ho ntie e ma no ye den oni Adom kase etwaso.
It's two, they said they were not going to subsidize anything for farmers, and that farmers were going to be linked to those who provide them with seed and fertilizer to give them on credit. That didn't work well for farmers at all. A majority of farmers have to struggle to actually get loans, to get money from family and friends to be able to buy some of these inputs. Now, what has made the matter worse has to do with the government removal of all import duties on agriculture inputs, mechanization, machineries, and then medications.
Ora Charles Nyaba, aside to Jabiemo, Sanshemudie no ase se tomatoes a moa ede wano abobo no eno ne papa na de moa enie no na no chese nye papa emunsem nso enie.
Most of the vegetables we see in the market with the holes, with the insect affecting them, that is the healthiest tomatoes and as a pepper and as a vegetables as a auto. Okay, I say this because some farmers, if they want to put a very nice tomatoes in the market, what they do is that they spray the tomatoes with agrochemicals. So for the tomatoes to ripen fast. When it ripens fast, no insect will eat it. No organisms in the bush will eat it. So when they bring it and then you go to the market, you see these tomatoes is looking so good. You go and buy, that is rather the poisonous tomatoes.
Wakasa ediafa abefu social media infonibia owo eka tomatoes antokro adedemu no woche mu se ehu bi enim entosa womude enuro egusu no eno ana owo no empe na emum de enuro engusu a yetutumu ntokro no oto a eno ane se wode nchine aworo ho ana se vinegar.
We shouldn't let this video that is going through social media bother us to go and eat any tomatoes that we see with small holes. Those tomatoes are rather the healthiest one, but when they buy them, they should try to cut that portion away, wash it nicely, disinfect it with either vinegar or salt, and then cook it before eating it. When they eat, I'm sure nothing will happen to them.
Electoral Commission 24 at the certified final voter register at the ama political parties in ene bosume ni ejina ne bosume pepepepepe ni ejina mu den munsam kase no etwaso.
Ladies and gentlemen, following the re-exhibition of the revised provisional voters register, the Commission received a total of 158 issues from registered voters across the country. I'm pleased to note that all the issues have been resolved, and as we speak, we have no further issues regarding the final voters register for the 2024 general election. As you may recall, at that meeting, we provided the political parties with a template on which to report any issues they had with the revised provisional voters register. I'm again pleased to inform you and the good people of Ghana that no political party presented any issues regarding the register for resolution. I'm pleased to note that we now have a robust and credible final certified voters register, which is fit to deliver a credible, transparent, fair, peaceful, and glorious election come the 7th of December 2024. In the exercise of my duty as chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Ghana, and in fulfillment of Regulation 27 of CI 91, as amended by CI 126, I hereby declare the 2024 final voters register as duly certified. It is finished.
Mayenya no sona Adom TV Badwam kase no ha na bema kwan na yede esi yeda semre ni adaje wadaro ma twen yembiem na yede de bonkrata no aba ni online de no to so ukode erade mfa nkomra sumdwem na hwen wo YouTube Adom TV tube and as a Facebook /Adom TV Extra. Yekwaba.